In this session, we are studying incubation periods of different infectious diseases. Chicken pox, 4 to 16 days or 2 to 3 weeks. Rubella, 2 to 3 weeks. Mumps, 2 to 3 weeks. Whooping cough, 7 to 14 days. Poliomyelitis, 7 to 14 days. 3 to 35 days. Typhoid fever, 10 to 14 days, 3 days to 3 weeks. Measles, 10 days from fever and 14 days from rash. Cholera, 1 to 2 days, few hours to 5 days. Scarlet fever, 1 to 3 days. Diphtheria, 2 to 6 days. SARS, 2 to 7 days or can be 3 to 5 days. Meningococcal meningitis, 2 to 10 days. 3 to 4 days. Tetanus, 6 to 10 days. 2 to 60 days. Tuberculosis, 3 to 6 weeks. Leprosy, 3 to 5 years. Let's see some incubation periods of food poisoning. Staphylococci, 1 to 6 hours, which is the shortest incubation period. Salmonella, 12 to 24 hours. Botulism, 12 to 36 hours. Clostridium perfringens, 6 to 24 hours, 10 to 14 hours. Amoebiasis, 2 to 4 weeks, 4 days to 4 months. Ascariasis, 2 months. Ankylostoma, 5 weeks to 9 months. Tanniasis, 8 to 14 weeks. 2 months to 5 months. Leishmaniasis, 1 to 4 months. 10 days to 2 years. Hydatid disease will take months to years. Incubation period of different types of hepatitis. Hepatitis A, 15 to 45 days. Hepatitis B, 45 to 180 days. Now different incubation periods of Plasmodium infections. Plasmodium malariae, 18 to 40 days. Plasmodium falciparum, 9 to 14 days. Plasmodium ovale, 16 to 18 days. Plasmodium vivax, 8 to 17 days. Yellow fever, 3 to 6 days. KFD, 3 to 8 days. Chikungunya, 4 to 7 days. Japanese encephalitis, 5 to 15 days. Brucellosis, 1 to 3 weeks. For leptospirosis, 10 days, 4 to 20 days. Incubation periods of different types of plague. Bubonic plague, 2 to 7 days. Septicemic plague, 2 to 7 days. Pneumonic plague, 1 to 3 days. Dengue fever. Classical dengue fever, 3 to 10 days. Dengue hemorrhagic fever, 4 to 6 days. Pinter, 7 to 21 days. 1 to 3 weeks. Yaws, 3 to 5 weeks. Sexually transmitted diseases. AIDS, few months, 10 years. Gonorrhea, 2 to 15 days. Typhus. Indian tick typhus, 3 to 7 days. Q fever, 2 to 3 weeks. Murine typhus, 1 to 2 weeks. Scrub typhus, 10 to 12 days. 6 to 21 days. Kindly refer to the description for other sessions. Thank you.